When it comes to the world of code and algorithms, when you're building something of significant importance, you have to ensure that the mechanism is credibly neutral. In this blog, Credible Neutrality as a Guiding Principle, Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin explains credible neutrality concept, emphasizing the importance of mechanisms that treat everyone fairly. In this video, we will explore what credible neutrality means and try to implement an example in Python to see if a mechanism's design can adhere to this principle. So, what is credible neutrality? So, a mechanism is credibly neutral if, just by looking at the mechanism's design, it is easy to say that it does not discriminate for or against anybody. In this world, each of us, we are different. We have different needs, we have different problems, we have different situations. So, a mechanism is credibly neutral if it treats everyone fairly to the extent that it's possible to treat people fairly. He also gives a lot of examples in the context of blockchain and decentralization. Anyone who mines a block gets 2 ETH is credibly neutral. While Bob gets 1,000 coins because we know he's written a lot of code and we should reward him is not. Credibly neutral mechanisms are important for solving many kinds of problems. One example that's easy to grasp is the process of voting. Let's explore credible neutrality in action by implementing a voting mechanism in Python. Okay, so here is the Python script that I've written to demonstrate the concept of credible neutrality in voting. So there is a class called voting machine which has two functions, vote and get winner. We will call this class from the main function. Here you have a set of candidates and uh, we have about 10 voters. So what we're going to do is this random.choice function will randomly pick a value from this list of candidates and add a vote to that candidate. At the end, whoever has maximum number of votes will win the election. Now, if you run this code, you can see that each time different candidates win the election. This random.choice function does not differentiate between each of the values in this list of candidates. So we can say that this mechanism is credibly neutral. So this is my understanding of credible neutrality and how to use it in when you're writing code. So thank you for joining me on this exploration of credible neutrality. If you found this video informative, please let me know. Thank you.